rig?
No.
Huh? There we go. I don't know yet. Uh-huh. Woohoo!
That is a pike. A lot more skinnier than the smallmouth, and I like this one. Like, I like this one's pattern. It's like a camo.
Easy there, you feisty fucker.
First pike.
Easy. God bless it. He's got teeth, so stay back. I have no interest in getting bit by him. Or hooked.
He looks like a crocodile. Right?
Uh-huh.
He's like, that is a really cool.
Hold that. And also close the bite valve on your thing. You're leaking all your water. Okay, she's recording. Thank you. First ever pike.
Or is that your first ever pike or
First ever. Alright. See you later, buddy. That's just how they sit in the water. He's fine. He's not gonna come bite you, I promise.
Right, my hand.
Now reel it. Not fast, just enough to make the tail. There you go, you got him. Nice, nice. Get him in here.
Come here.
Oh, look, he had a follower. You didn't see him. There was a follower coming after him. Careful so we don't get you hooked, okay?
Alright. A follower?
Mm-hmm.
A follower.
He had a guy trying to see what he had in his mouth.
I had a feeling that he would go for it, but not all the way.
Come here. Give me. Thank you.
Hey, at least he's not struggling right now.
Yeah,
Trying to get out of your grasp.
happy for that. I don't want hooked. There's that. Here, you want your fish?
Yes.
Take him. There you go. Check
Hey,
it out.
don't bite me.
Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Get back in there. That's not quite where I want. Really don't want hooks in me. Come on. Just... Oh, I see what's going on here. There we go. Oh, shit. Thought I had her hook done up. Might have to just fucking head grab her. There we go. There we go.
You are now forever hooked.
Oh, I just don't want her to shove hooks in my hand. They get real anxious when you get them out of the water.
Yeah. Wow.
There we go. Watch yourself, watch yourself, watch yourself. I don't want you to get hooked. She's got something in her mouth there.
What is it?
I don't know. Must have spit something up, or tried to spit something up. Hold on. Gonna make sure I got her on camera here. Nice little smallie. Here you go. You want to release her?
Yeah. Don't bite me.
She's not gonna bite you. Just stick your hand. No, on this side. Stick your hand in there. There you go. Ouch. Just work the tail, buddy. No, 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 no. Come on. There you go. Get back in there. Easy. You gotta work the tail. Look, I'm pretty sure they're over here now. Get ready, because if I get hit, you're gonna want to cast. You gotta be ready when that happens, man, because there was like 6 of them chasing him around. You could have got one. For sure. Look, see him over here chasing bait? Come up over this way, get that grass off of there. Another one, another one. Good shit. Just work it, buddy. Just work it. Just work it. Just work it. Very nice. Easy there, kid. Damn it. There's a whole school of them over there, buddy, so just keep casting at it, okay? Just you don't have to work it so fast. Come on, slow down. There you go. Come on. Damn, he got hooked good. Look, come here. Look in his mouth. That's what they're doing. They're over there chasing bait fish. See in his mouth? See the fish in his mouth?
Is that the...
Yeah, there's a little fish. They're over there chasing those things and eating them.
Wait. Is that a... What fish is that?
Probably a little shad or something.
No, like the fish that you caught.
It was a smallmouth.
Oh, you had teeth.